Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some Friday comments. It's about 2:40 Eastern Time. Pretty wicked day we had, and yet it was muted at the same time. It's kind of a bizarre day, but markets traded both sides of unchanged, and cotton market in particular was wild. Going into the last couple of minutes of trading, the spot July was down 200, December down 70. But in the last seconds, they shot back up. Of course, today is expiration for July cotton on options, so that should do something to July's open interest come next week, and so we'll see what that is. December cotton made a new high close today, 89.44, which is up 29 points. For the weeks, new crop cotton's up 400 points. So hopefully some guys are starting to price some cotton up here. I think that's probably the prudent thing to do. Over in the corn, the spot July got on fire today, closed up 11 cents, 6.55. Did help out the September new crop to close slightly higher, 5.71. But on the whole, September corn is down 20 cents for this week. So we were 20 cents higher last Friday than we are today. Beans a mixed bag. Again, old crop beans stronger, new crop beans a little weaker. November beans went out around 12.98. For the week, those November beans are down 32 cents. So that's a pretty good break into there. But again, we're going to think about these planted acres that come out in a couple of weeks and the grain stocks and those type things. Wheat today, although wheat made a big turnaround yesterday, was negative and closed up very strong. And I was hoping that we maybe stuck a low in. The market just could not follow through today and sold back off. We were down about a nickel. Doesn't sound like much, but that was really poor price action for the week. The wheat market is up rather down about 15 cents. So the markets continue to struggle We'll be watching weather, of course, across many of the parts of the belt. Texas may get a little rain. We'll see. The Midwest has got some cool temperatures and some rain. Some of that rain's making grain, I think, but we continue to hear stories that some of the vast stretches of the Midwest, the corn is yellowing and stunted and standing in ponds of water. I bet we wish we were kind of that way in South Georgia today, given the fact that our heat indexes continues to peak out over 100, and the rain from that tropical storm Andrea is long gone by now. Energies today look pretty strong. Really felt like energies could set back some in here, but August crude oil up 98 bucks, up 105. That looks like it wants to try to break out some more next week, so we'll see. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Have a nice weekend.